So in this, we are going to find out how to find the greatest common factor and the least common multiple of two given numbers. So the very first thing you should do is find the prime factorization. And what is that? I'll show you. If we're given 34, 34 can be divided into 2 and 17. And that's as far as it can be divided into, because 17 is prime and 2 is prime. But if we have 82, it can be divided into 2 and 41, which is also prime. 41 is prime. So therefore you can divide it, you can't reduce it anymore into two separate factors. So if we look at this, 34 equals 2 to the 1 times 17 to the 1, and 82 equals 2 to the 1 times 41 to the 1. So therefore, the GCF, the greatest common factor, will equal something that is common between both. And what's the only thing that's common between both? 2. 2 to the 1, which equals 2. And the LCM, which will equal the highest power in each. Highest overall power. I should have written that in blue. Which will equal 17 to the 1, 41 to the 1, and 2 to the 1. 17 times 41 times 2, which will equal 1,394.